Everyone is ranking Rasasi Hawases as if it's a simple task from best to worst or top 10, and that's the problem. But I'm going to show you that there's something else that you should consider when buying a Hawas. And we're going to start with 5 categories: the originals, the dark ones, the red one, the green ones, the snakes, and the blue. And we start with the original Hawas versus Hawas Ice, which basically which one you would get. This is the first one made. This one has plum and star anise, which is like a licorice note. This is far stronger, and if you're very new to fragrances, you might not like it this strong. So I would recommend you get the Hawas. This smells like Invictus. This smells like Invictus Aqua. Moving on to the other one that's one of the originals. This is a perfect date night fragrance. It's called Elixir. It has tobacco, mint, and honey. It smells like Le Male Elixir. Actually a delicious fragrance. I would wear this all year long. I live in South Florida, but maybe you live in cold temperatures. Either way, it's real easy to wear fragrance, and it smells good. It has lavender. I want to welcome our 2 newest subscribers today. Fragrance Practitioner and Nova 21. Fragrance Practitioner just crossed 10,900 subscribers. I don't know who he is, but he just subscribed, so welcome. Next up, you got Fire versus Black. Which one to get? So Fire has a nice, unique personality. It's an aquatic, fresh fragrance with a touch of some sort of oud. They don't list it, but it's got a fresh note of fruits in it. And this one smells like a Hasibat Aventa style. Both of these are beast modes. It's which way do you want to go? This might be a little bit strong for you, a little bit more mature. If you were to consider wearing this at work, 1 spray only or 2 the max on these, they're that strong. Every one of these fragrances are pretty strong, and that's the fact. Next up, we have Hawas Tropical. This is a tropical fragrance versus Hawas Verde. This is a brand new release. Verde means green. Tropical is like Le Beau Garden Paradise. It has coconuts, fresh notes, and lavender. Ultimately, it's a beautiful summer fragrance, as well as this one Verde, which opens up with the bright, zingy, fresh, fruity green note. A little gallop of mint is in there somewhere. Nobody knows what really it is, but I could tell you it's probably trying to copy a touch of Greenlee hybrided with a Torino 21. Greenlee is a Parfums de Marly fragrance, and we come up to this twist on Verde. The longevity on this for me on my skin wasn't as strong as all the rest. They were like 5, 6 hours, but projection was ultimately really good in the first hour. These are the 2 snakes. They got Cobra, Viper, and coming out in 2026, Venom. Cobra is like a Louis Vuitton fragrance. Imagination. It's one of the best ones out there. It's a little bit different than your typical Marwas or Aqua Dubais. It's thicker, more dense, more accentuation on the citrus, and ultimately it's got a real strong projection, whereas the other fragrance, Marwa, is more refined and nice. I also want to say that Viper here is a dark fragrance like Black Afghano. Think about notes of resins and tobacco, coffee, but it has raspberry and cinnamon to make it really elegant. Also, to buy a correct Hawas, you don't buy it on TikTok. You don't buy it, you buy it on Amazon if it's sold by Amazon. And to tell if you got a real Hawas or not, like this one's called Tropical. Have you noticed that the line of the fragrance is twisting down? Also, they all have metal caps, not plastic caps, and they also have this dense, thick glass on the bottom. There's other things too. Just be careful. The going rate on all the Hawas are $30 to $60. If you see them lower, you should be suspect and don't buy it. And even though they have seen these in the 20s, but it's the most counterfeited one is the regular Hawas. And I will put some links down below for you to buy the best. Even the scent displayer on Amazon is garbage. They have a discovery set. We come now to Hawas Atlantis versus Malibu. Now, after all this, the Hawas has managed to keep its core DNA of the Hawas regular. Then it made the Hawas Ice, which filtered that. Can you imagine? It kept the DNA of its backbone throughout all these fragrances. Now you get to Atlantis, and this Malibu smells like Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Beau Male Citronelle, which ultimately is lavender, grapefruit, pineapple. This is one of the most complimented, most youthful fragrance out of the whole list. Now I'm going to give you a trick if you want to know which exact one to buy for you or one to buy for another occasion. You have to learn this. It's very important. I'm going to take my glasses off. Just click on this video and you'll find out how.